A reference-based pricing package is less expensive than a PPO. A PPO is typically about a 265% or 250 to 280% of the cost of Medicare for the same claim. A reference-based pricing product is about 150% of the cost of Medicare. What that really means is your reference-based pricing products, where you're going to save the most money in an insurance product, guys, is not, this is not where you're saving 10 bucks on this. This is not where you're saving the money. This is where you're saving your money, the $55,000. Your claims are going to get paid. The question is, are they going to get paid at the rate that the carrier at 265% of the cost of Medicare, or is it going to get paid on a reference-based pricing scale where you're paying whatever Medicare would charge, we're going to charge 150% of that price. Now, it's very important to understand that. That's where you get your lower rates. That's where you save your money. I like this package because it gives the client a lot of coverage for the minimal amount of spend. And that's a high deductible, level funded package that is reference based. $73.50 plan, max out of pocket, $8,000. Now here's why I really like this. Because we're going after the healthier groups. Now, what do the healthier groups want? They really want to go to the doctor. They don't want a heavy copay going to the doctor. They pay their 40 bucks. Their wife and kids, 40 bucks. Go see a specialist, 80 bucks. Get their maintenance drugs, 10 bucks. But they want to know that if they run to the hospital, they're not going to go broke. Your average American doesn't have $5,000, $8,000 laying around just for the funsies of it. You guys know this. So what you put in a gap plan. You can go ahead and design your own gap plan. I just picked out 3 of them. Typically, you'd pick 2 of those. Maybe they don't want a $500 deductible. Maybe they want a 0 deductible. What are the pain points? I want to give my employees more benefits. You and I will design a gap plan. Gap plans are typically less expensive than burning your plan down to a low deductible. So I exclude all these because your healthier groups that are going to go on a level funded plan, that are going to go in a reference-based pricing plan, this is a great plan.